FTX hat, FTX t-shirt, it only means one thing, Carl.
FTX car! Whoa!
How did you do that?
Magic, my friend. Now, this... Oh, you don't understand how excited I am about this car.
Not just you, we're both excited about this
Well,
car.
if you're a regular on the channel, you will know that Popalong RC was born from us wanting to race the FTX Vantage.
It was indeed.
And this is the FTX Vantage 2.0.
2.0. But Carl, it's in the box. How do we get it out of the box? Can you do that trick again?
Boom!
How do you do that?
It's amazing.
How do you do that?
So, there we have it. The Vantage 2.0. So, how does this car differ from the first, and what do you get in the box? So, we're going to start with the radio gear. This is the Pulse EX3G. Now, I am familiar with this radio gear because this isn't the first time we've seen this on the channel.
No.
This is the same radio gear that you would get with the FTX Toro or Zorro. And actually, it's a really nice radio. A little bit chunkier than the original Vantage controller.
I like the wheel on it. It just feels nice, doesn't it? It's got that really nice foam,
nice and soft
feel to it. Yeah,
it's got some good grip.
And you know, we've never had an issue with these, have we?
No,
range issues.
They've been consistent
fine.
and
absolutely
no
fine.
issues at all.
Basic, but you know, does what it says on the box, really.
Yeah, and it's worth saying we have tested the FTX Vantage to its limits. We have put those cars through their paces, and I'm pleased to see that they have kept many of the original features.
Yeah, some of it really does not need changing, does it really?
Oh, and if it ain't broke, don't fix it. However, there are a few things that they have changed on the car.
All right, first off, the black wheels. I mean, come on. That looks nice, doesn't it?
You've
got to love them.
Yeah.
So it's a nice touch, actually.
I bought the black wheels because the black wheels are available as optional extras, which I did actually purchase for my original car, and I'm glad that they come as standard on this car.
Yeah.
Now, inside the car, this is where it gets interesting because they've made some upgrades.
They have. They've made a fairly, I would say, substantial upgrade in that the speed controller in the original Vantage was actually a 20 amp. This one here is a 60 amp. So hopefully, because it used to get a bit warm, didn't it?
It did.
You know what I mean? And still does, obviously, but this one here, I can't see it stressing out much with that motor. And it might, I don't know, but we're going to test this out, but it might give it a bit more grunt and a little bit more punch. Who knows? We'll soon find out.
We'll test it. And as I say, as you've seen from our previous videos, we will get the speedometer on these. We'll do a full speed run, speed test. We'll put it through the Popalong RC challenge. We'll take it to a pump track and we will get it on the racetrack.
We will indeed. It comes with its battery, you know, 1800 as well. I think most of them do, don't they, these Vantages?
And the motor we have in this is the 550 motors, solid motors.
Was it 15 turn, aren't they?
So we've also got the waterproof servo in there, really nice, and the oil fill shocks, fully adjustable, and there are also options on the shock mounts up here so you can change ride heights and also droop setting. For those of you that don't know, under here you've got a little droop screw which can set the droop on the car.
Yeah, the reason I like these cars is they really are a budget racer. They really are a cheap racer. So you've got adjustable turnbuckles on here. You can adjust pretty much everything on it like you can with a much more higher spec, higher end car. And we've been messing around with the settings on our cars, haven't we?
So there's a lot of things that we tend to do. We run a little bit of negative camber at the front. We also have a bit of towing also at the front to help with the steering on the tighter race tracks that we use. We tend, because of the grass tracks with our grassroots racing, we tend to lower the cars a little bit as well, which is very easy to do with these adjustable shocks.
Yeah. Nice, doesn't it?
It's just got that new car feel.
It's got a new car feel.
It is very nice.
No scratches.
No scratches.
No dirt in there whatsoever. But yeah.
I have had a little look through the manual for the Vantage 2.0 and there was a couple of interesting things in here.
Tell me more.
Because if you flick to the back where you can get your replacement shells, I have noted that they've got a Vantage 2.0 printed red body.
That
So this car's going to come in red, and they've also got down here the Vantage brushless printed black body. Again, very interested to see that, and if it's anything like this blue one, I'm sure they are going to look absolutely fantastic. As we've mentioned, the shocks are fully adjustable with this lovely anodised blue. Now, there are some other anodised blue parts you can get for this car, isn't there, Mark?
There certainly is, yeah. Pretty much everything you see on it, you can upgrade.
This car with the blue shell, can you imagine actually doing this one up to have alley parts, all the blue anodised blue all over it? That would look...
Well, you know what? I have an idea. You know, one of my ideas.
Yeah, I love your ideas.
Okay, well, the idea is we should make this into a beautiful car.
Should we pimp this ride?
Pimp it up.
So, if you liked the video, please think about liking, subscribing, and pushing that old ding dong bell, because...
No. Smash the old ding dong bell.
Alright, smash his old ding dong bell.
That's my bit.
Come back and watch what we do with this beauty of a car.
Yeah.